Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can reset Gboard settings. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, if you want to reset the setting of your Gboard, all you need to do is to go to the setting of your phone. Once you go to the settings, you need to scroll down where you will find apps. You need to tap on apps, and here you need to search or either find Gboard. So if I search here for Gboard, and as you can see it appears here, I will tap on that one. All you need to do is to find the settings of storage. You need to tap on that one, and from here all you need to do is to clear data. Once you tap on that one, and then they will say that are you sure to delete all the settings that you have. So once you clear the data, all your Gboard will be reset and you can do the settings that you want again on your phone. So guys, this is all it takes to reset the Gboard. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.